How to open PDF in Google Docs. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, what you want to do is to just open up your web browser, and then from here, what you want to do is to just simply go to your Google Drive. So just go to googledrive.com or drive.google.com, and then from here, what you want to do is to just go to My Drive over here, and then just upload your PDF file. So for me, I'll be using this PDF file over here. So I'll just drag this to my web browser, and then I'll just drag it and drop it here in the Google Drive. So I'll just drop it there and then just wait for the upload to finish. And then once it's done uploading, what you want to do is to just simply double click on the PDF file that you've uploaded. There you go. And then after that, there will be an option at the very top right here that will allow you to open this PDF file with Google Docs. So what you want to do is to just simply press on it, and then after that you'll be redirected here in Google Docs. So just wait for this to load, and then after that you'll be redirected here in Google Docs. So as you can see, I have now opened the PDF file that I have uploaded from Google Drive to Google Docs, and then from here you can now access your PDF file, and then after that you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to open a PDF file in Google Docs.